Hello everyone, this is Chaim Durst, the Wordmuse. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be talking about the mechanics of the why essay. Many students, once they've finished their personal statement, they ask me, well, how do I write my why school or why major essay? And I take them through a very simple process, which I'll be showing to you here. The first thing is I ask them to pick a focus. What do they want to study? What is it they want to do with their lives? Do they want to go into art? They want to go into music? They want to go into research? I ask them to pick something that is unique, that's realistic, that's in line with what they've done or what they want to do, and also something that tells a believable, cohesive story. Many students say, I want to study econ. Well, what does that mean? What aspect of economics is interesting enough for it to stand out? Well, I want to study econ and international relations. Well, what aspect of that is going to help you stand out among the other 10,000 other students who are interested in econ? Maybe not that many, but thousands. Well, first thing I ask them to do is to do a search of the topic. For example, let's say you want to study blockchain, Web3 technology at Duke. Okay, that's unique. That's interesting. That will help you stand out. But is there enough information or data on the topic? If there isn't, then it's probably not going to be a suitable topic for your why school or why major essay. So the next step is, here's a web search of Web3 classes at Duke. Aha! We have 3 or 4 really strong hits. That indicates to me that this could be a suitable topic for a why school or why major essay. The first article in particular lists classes, it lists projects, and it lists professors. Those are the 3 things you want to find. If you can't find projects, classes, and professors, then you're probably in trouble. So the second link is a class. Aha! Foundations of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Okay. Delve into that, see who's teaching that, see what other classes they're teaching, see what research that they're doing, see what projects they're involved with. Are they running a lab? You have to become a detective to write an effective why school or why major essay. And this is the type of detective work you need to do. And this is the third article that is a little bit more mainstream, that gives you an indication of what Duke is doing in this field. These are just the 3 top articles. Using this one search, you can alter the search and you're likely to find many more. Then hone in. Like I said, you're looking for classes, you're looking for professors, and you're looking for research. Those are the 3 data points that you want. Labs, ideally, field studies, if it's a different type of field. So this is what my response would be. I'm excited to attend Duke because of its commitment to blockchain and crypto research. Okay, very unique, very specific, and it gives the reader an idea exactly what you intend to do and why you intend to go to Duke. Specifically, I'm interested in supporting the work of Professor so-and-so as they investigate novel uses for blockchain technology in the fields of biochemical engineering. Okay. Now we have a specific rationale for you to take this major and for you to take this major at Duke. You have a professor that you found in your Google search, that you've read about in an article, that is doing concrete projects, concrete work that aligns with your interests and your future goals. Furthermore, now the next step, once you talk about professors and their research, talk about the classes. Classes such as so-and-so will give me the tools to develop as a programmer and as an innovative thinker. The capstone project in particular will empower me to develop interface tools among proof-of-stake DAOs. Okay, you have professors, research, projects, classes, capstone projects. In 2 paragraphs, you have a very specific, very unique, very concrete and cohesive and believable story about why you want to go to Duke and why you want to take a particular major there. Now you want to pivot. A one-note why school, why major essay will not serve you well. You need to talk about another interest that you have, but somehow relate it to the first so that it is a cohesive story. It isn't just a jarring shift into a different lane. So, for example, a secondary interest of mine is art. I wish to apply my knowledge of blockchain technology to digital art. I'm intrigued by so-and-so, another class, which explores the intersection of art, technology, and commerce. Okay, so now you've told the reader, I want to major in crypto technology, probably in some field within computer science, and I want to minor in this area of art that will allow me to cohesively blend the two together into one holistic, realistic, believable story. This is how you can write an effective, persuasive, and powerful why school and why major essay. So to review, is it unique? Absolutely. This is cutting edge. It's specific to Duke. Is it believable? 100%. You have all the specific details, classes and projects and areas that blend together. Is it cohesive? Yes, you have the art, you have the digital technology blended into one. I urge you to follow these steps in writing your why school and why major essay. Pick an area of focus, do a quick search to make sure that that area of focus has classes and professors and projects that are listed at that university. Then delve deeper. Pick a project, pick a professor, see what they're teaching, see what other classes they're teaching, see what work they've done, see what articles they've published. And if you are bold enough, and if you are wise enough, you'll contact that professor and ask them about their work so that when you write your why school, why major essay, you can also include, I've reached out to so-and-so, and they provided information that corroborated my interest and my conviction that Duke is the best school for me to explore these areas. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Chaim Durst, and I am the Wordmuse.